You need to make it easy for people to read. Conversational style English is ideal, and that includes using contractions. You're not writing academic style. When I started, I did it completely wrong, and I had to go back and fix it.
Right.
In a casual, friendly way. If you have data, make it clear. Use a simple, clear table that looks good on mobile, because I still see this problem a lot on mobile. A lot of people's tables are just horrible, and that you can't. Nobody wants to swipe over all the way over just to see it. So I always make sure that my tables look good on mobile. If it doesn't work one way, I'll figure out another way, or break it apart or something.
Yep.
Use your H2s, H3s, organize your content, break it up, don't make it too long. If you're not using Yoast, find some way of getting writing suggestions to try to help break up sentences that are super long. The basic stuff about making stuff easy to read. Again, I use images because I think that people find them appealing, especially if you're going to do that, use clear images that are sized the right size. Don't enlarge a teeny tiny fuzzy picture. That looks really bad, and it looks like you're not doing a very good job. Just try to come across as you're trying to help the reader as much as possible. And I at this point in time, I've learned I avoid saying "buy this now." Instead, I'll say something like, I use a more copyrightish style of saying, "It's great for these reasons, and here you can go check out why it's one of the best selling products at Amazon," and that'll be my link. That's a tip I picked up from Kyle Trouble. I kind of make it a casual way segue into clicking on a link, and it seems to be working pretty well.